Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to hide media previews in the WhatsApp app on your PC. If you want to maintain your privacy and avoid exposing sensitive media content in your notifications, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Step 2. Once the app is open, navigate to the Settings menu. You can usually find the Settings icon in the top right corner of the app window. Click on it to access the settings. Step 3. Within the Settings menu, look for the Notifications option. Click on it to open the notification settings. Step 4. Within the notification settings, locate the option that says Media Preview. Make sure to toggle the switch to the off position. And that's it. You've successfully hidden media previews in the WhatsApp app on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.